So just at the Beacon House, which is in Brighton, it's North Brisbane. It's got the frames up now. Big 2-storey house. It's a nice layout. So we've got the double garage in the front here. There's the front entry just here. Laundry. This is the open plan living with a bedroom down here with an ensuite. Outside the al fresco area, there's the knockdown rebuild. The floor joists are in there now, 450 centres. So a nice big clear open span. It's got the 2.7 metre high ceilings downstairs. Up here we've got all the bedrooms. There's a void here that looks down to the living area as well. It's like a little retreat area. Kids' bedroom here. Bathroom. And off the front they've got a waterproofed balcony, so this will have tiles on the top.